2019 Principles of Accounts, past question number 5. We use the information given to us below to answer the questions. Number 5. We have sales 10,900. We have stock at 1st of January as at 1,000 naira. We have stock 31st of December at 2,000 naira. We have purchases 4,000 naira. We have returns outward 800 naira. We have returns inward 600 naira. Carriage outward 300 naira, and we have carriage inward 200 naira. The question says the cost of goods available for sale is. So we are looking for cost of goods available for sale. So to get your cost of goods available for sale, we are going to have 3 naira signs if we are using a straight method. So we have our sales. Our sales is 10,900. We have returns outward, returns inward, which is returns inward is 600. We are lessening it. This will give us 10,300. This is net sales. Net sales. Okay. Net sales. So now we have our opening stock. Our opening stock. Our opening stock in our question is 1,000. We have our purchases. Our purchases is 4,000 naira. Our purchases is 4,000 naira. We add to purchases, we add our carriage inwards. Carriage inward, which is 200. This will give us 4,200. Then we now have, from this purchase, this figure, we're going to less our returns outward, which is 300. By the time we less it from this, we're going to have a total of 3,400. Our returns outward is 800 naira. So this will give us 3,400. We add it back to our opening stock, it will give us 4,400. This is called cost of goods available for sale. Cost of goods available for sale. So option 4,400 is option D. Option D is the right option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.